What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck. I'm screwed. How big a ticket is this going to be?
Hi.
Morning, officer.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. What, you have any idea why I stopped you?
Yeah, I got an idea.
Looks like I picked the right day to go to the city, dude. Dude, this is like an escort into the city. Oh, this is sick. Dude, I'm not sure what the hell I became a part of, but there's like people filming, pulled over. What the?
Make your own lane?
No, sir.
You know you're not supposed to go down that lane, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me see the license registration. Where you come from? Work?
Work.
Where you work?
Yeah.
What do you do over there? You got a license, right? You got
Yes,
a
sir.
motorcycle license?
Yes, sir.
Kilo to the control.
Standing around doing fuck all. You're blocking up the thing, people can't see there. And you're doing fuck all. Fucking lazy cunt.
The cops looked at my bike and they saw it was a little bit banged up and it had a few scratches left and right, so they were kind of skeptical about the whole bike. So they decided to look at the whole bike, do a complete review, just to see everything. So yeah, so right here the cops were looking at my muffler. They saw it was a little bit scratched, and it was pretty loud, so they took a closer look at it, and they saw it does not have a catalytic converter. So I got a little bit of flack about that too. They didn't want to believe me that the bike's actually pretty old. It has about 70,000 miles on it, so yeah, it's old. Yeah, in this scenario, I dropped a few coins from my wallet because I decided I still had to fix some things on the left side of the engine and that I could use my hands for. So I dropped some coins, and whilst picking them up, I decided to, remove some of the illegal parts or move some of the parts to make them legal.
Liegt da noch was? Achso, nee, das ist mein. So, da müsste.
The cops then demanded I take my helmet and the remaining gear off my bike. They wanted me to put it on their car, which I was not willing to do. I just told them, hey, I'll put it here on the ground. I did not want to put my stuff on their car. And I put my helmet in a position so that I could see us, my bike, and the police car, so I'd have video proof of this. The cops then asked me if I was planning on heading back to let all the other bikers know that the cops were there, or that I should go and reprimand them all for driving recklessly. Yeah, I just told them that I just want to go home because I still had some things to do. I had to cut some videos for the YouTube channel. Yeah, they clearly thought I was trying to run from the police, so that did not end the way I wanted it to. So the cop took a closer look at my rear lights here and told me a big story about how it's so illegal and how it's so bad and all the dangers that could come with it. Yeah. So the cops took a
up, slowing down. What are you doing? What did I do wrong?
Can I see your driver's license?
No, what did I do wrong first?
I'm going to ask you one more time.
What's your name and what's your badge number?
I'm going to give you all that information.
I need it before you stop me. The California law says that you're supposed to provide your information and why you stopped me.
1247. The reason I stopped you is you made an unsafe lane change. You did not signal for more than 100 feet.
I did signal.
One. And you came up next to my car and started screaming and yelling. You're acting erratically. I'm going to make sure that you're not under the influence of drugs.
I'm not under the influence of anything. You almost caused an accident by stopping almost in the lane. You were doing 30 and went down to 23. For no, I don't. But I do know that you almost caused me to hit you. I have it on camera. I have exactly what you did on camera. You did it twice.
You reach out at me again, and I'm gonna push you onto the ground.
Then why do you want me
Just
on the
listen.
bike? Why do you want me on the bike then?
Because of how agitated you are. And
Well,
how
I'm agitated because you almost crashed into me, and then you're pointing at me telling me you need in the lane when I'm already there, and I used my signal. I have it all on camera.
And so did I. Do you think at any point I saw you in my blind spot make an unsafe lane change? Do you think
I don't know what you saw, but I know I used my blinker and I pulled over.
Do you know what I'm doing right now?
So how's that fully road legal?
It fell off.
Where's the attachments?
Oh, I don't want to bracket right there, officer.
That's bollocks. Pull over.
It's not bollocks. I'm not going to ride around Cheddar Gorge illegally.
Tell me how it's fully road legal.
Honestly, it is, officer.
Where's your lights? Where's your indicators?
Pulling wheelies.
There you go.
Twice.
So how's that fully road legal?
It fell off.
Where's the attachments?
Oh, I don't want to bracket right there, officer.
That's bollocks. Pull over.
It's not bollocks.
There's no holes there for it to go onto, mate. So you're going to have to pull it somewhere over there. I'm going to get my colleagues out to check it over as well.
Bike's fully road legal.
Tell me how it's fully road legal.
Honestly, it is, officer.
Where's your lights? Where's your indicators?
It's MOT for 3 years. I'm not going to ride around Cheddar Gorge illegally.
Well, it's funny. Well, it's funny. And then suddenly sliding.
Yeah, but it's just a loud bike, officer.
And then suddenly sliding. Your license?
Yep.
To me, this looks more like an off-road
Oh
bike
no,
than an
yeah,
on-road
I know
bike.
it does, yeah.
Appreciate.
Yeah. Pulling wheelies.
There you go.
Twice.
For me, all right, I'll say it again.
Yeah.
All right, this is why, to me, it doesn't look MOT compliant. No headlights, no indicators. Do you have any ops units, traffic in the gorge still at all?
So yeah, you will be reported for. That's your one. So basically, it's got to be taken, not ridden. So we're on the back of the trailer to an MOT testing centre. It's got to have a full MOT, and they've got to rectify, for our side of things, the two major defects, which are going to be.
One of these is the registration. I'm not sure if that might be it, or I think it's up to date. I just renewed my insurance. Oh, here's my new. Here's huh?
This is Kawasaki.
Oh, the Kawasaki.
All this information is for Kawasaki.
Oh, is it all for that?
Yeah.
Do I not have the GROM on here? Hold on, I got the GROM underneath the seat. I thought I had the paperwork for the GROM on here too.
There's that back there.
Here it is. Sorry, my bad.
That's right. You get all onto it. Here's this back.
All right. There's.
It's gonna give you a warning today, all right?
Yes, sir.
But you gotta pay attention to the changing lights and whatnot.
Yeah, no, that's it was one of those. Yeah, it's my bad.
Pay attention as you're approaching it, so you have time to go around and stop safely, all right?
Yes, sir.
You have a good day.
All right, thank you. Be safe.
What's the plan? Where's this jump you're on about? Pardon? There's this jump up here. Yeah. We'll go over gains it. Hopefully there's no cops, eh? Sometimes there is over there, but wait a what? What? Oh! That looks good. That is not a jump. Fuck, I don't trust on that. That's a shitty old thing, if you on that. Fuck that.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the Moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.